right away you're going to notice in Inspire that there's something missing on the right hand side of the screen. There used to be a vertically oriented toolbar there with things like the forward page icon and the back page icon, and also the icon used to access the resource library. Well, all of those things still exist in Inspire, they're just found in a different place. The name of that place is called the browsers. To open the browsers, you can click on the View menu, and you can go down to Browsers. Notice that there is a shortcut, Command B, that will also open up the browsers. When you open up the browsers, you'll see that it orients on the left-hand side of the screen. If you hover over the side of the browser, you can notice that the browser can expand in width, or you can reduce the width of the browser as well. In the next series of videos, we will go through the purpose of all of the different browsers that are laid out across the top. Many of them will reference what you used to see on the vertical menu in Active Studio.